In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your tensioner pulley on your Chrysler 300. It's located on the front of your car. Attach your 3/8 ratchet, bring your tensioner back, and take your serpentine belt off. Now you can remove your ratchet. And remove your belt. Using a 15mm socket, we're going to put this on the bolt and take it out. Remove your socket and loosen it the rest of the way with your fingers so you don't get stuck. Remove your bolt. And then we're going to take our tensioner off. Sometimes they get stuck, so you might need a little persuasion. Just have a good hand on it. Use a pry bar if needed. Find a spot to pull it out. Make sure you line up this guide into this hole. Once it's lined up, you're going to get your bolt in there and hand tighten it. You may need a crow's foot to get in there unless you have a very thin torque wrench. But you're going to be torquing it to 40 foot-pounds. Now we're going to put our serpentine belt in. I'm going to lower it down and I'm going to get it around that crank first. After you get it around the crank, you're going to get it around the next two pulleys all the way over to the driver's side. Make sure you're definitely on those two pulleys before proceeding. You're going to slide this belt down over by your tensioner. We're just going to get this top part over. Get it on that water pump pulley. Now we're going to go under this idler pulley and around the alternator. Now that you have it on the alternator, you're going to slide it off your idler pulley, put it on your tensioner on the bottom, which is a little complicated, so you got to slide it behind. Feel free to take it off the alternator if needed, and slide it behind, get it on that tensioner. So you're going in from behind. Once you think you're on there, you're going to tighten it up. Now you're going to get your 3/8 ratchet into the tensioner, and you're going to swing it towards the driver's side. And as you do that, you're going to put this on the alternator first. And then you're going to swing it even further. And you're going to put it under the idler pulley. Before letting go, make sure everything's all lined up. And if it is, you can release the belt and take out your ratchet.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. the only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.